All right, I guarantee you somebody's going to complain about, hey, Jeff, you never showed us how to change the colors on this. Why is it blue? It should be red, blah, blah, blah. So let's get in there and fix that. So I'm going to go back to sites and I'm going to go to surveys and the builder. And here's my survey right here. And we want to change this footer. So down on the bottom, I'm sorry, on the right-hand side, you have this styles and option button right there. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you've got the background fill. And we're going to change that to red. There you go. And it was kind of a lighter red. So there you go. Easy enough, right? You can also change the text, the size of the text, the font. You can change all kinds of aspects, so just get around in there and play around with it. You can also do some custom background images and header images. That's much more advanced. I don't recommend you do that unless you know what you're doing. You also have some options and themes. Under the options, you can change the background messages for when it gets submit. Again, I don't recommend doing it here because we do it inside of the funnel. You can also do one question at a time. I never recommend you do that. I recommend you, it's just too arduous for the person to fill it out, depending on how many questions you have. Sticky contact is fine. And this means if you're sending it from, let's say, from here into a calendar, they won't have to type their name information twice. It'll just remember it. Sticky contact. Scroll to top and all the other stuff you can play around with. The themes are pretty cool. They've added all these new templates so you can use this theme. And alert, proceed. And now we've got a different theme, right? And we'll go back to the default theme. So you can play around with all these different pretty colors and stuff like that if you want to. Let's go back to style and we'll change that bottom part to the background color. There we go. And we'll lighten that up a little bit. There you go. And click save. So that's how you change that. And once you click save here, if you refresh it here, it should be fine. There you go.